100% Doraemon and Friends. Doraemon Drone Show lights up Hong Kong. The world's first Doraemon drone show displays lasted for more than 10 minutes with large crowds filling the Avenue of Stars in Tsim Sha Tsui. Free Doraemon balloons were also handed out in several busy districts in Hong Kong, including Tsim Sha Tsui, Mong Kok, Causeway Bay and Central, with most of them distributed in about 2 hours. The full exhibition, the first stop on a global tour and also listed on the government's mega events calendar, gets underway on July 13th and runs until August 4th, featuring a special animated short film. The film will be part of the paid exhibition, but fans can also visit large-scale figures of Doraemon for free at the Avenue of Stars.